My name is Melanie and I'm the Technical Marketing Manager here at Axetris AG in Switzerland. Today I will show you what you will get with your first order of a new LGD Compact and what are the first steps with the LGD Compact in our customer front-end. Your LGD Compact module will come in a box like this, with all the contents you need. The contents of the box will include an envelope, which contains a printed version of the calibration certificate, the important safety instructions, and a short quick guide with all application-specific information for your product. You will find then the sensor module, the electronics, and the ordered cable execution in the protective packaging. There will be also an additional communication cable included for the connection to your computer and a power supply if you also have ordered the so-called evaluation kit. In general, you have two options when ordering your LGD Compact. You can choose the execution that conforms to EMC requirements, which includes shielded cables and a housing for the electronic boards. Or the execution without electronic box and a partly unshielded cable. This option is not EMC tested, so you must provide your own shielding when integrating the LGD Compact into your device. You can also order the second option without the interface board to get direct access to the RS232 TTL signal from the mainboard. All shown cables are available as a straight or an angled version. The angled cable can be ordered in every direction, each offset by 90 degrees. Also, the gas inlet outlet fittings are available as a straight or an angled version. The first step is to connect your LGD Compact module to the cable and to the electronic box. You can take then your communication cable, connect it to the electronics, take the USB connector and connect it to your computer, and connect it to the power supply. For checking the measurement performance, you need also a gas supply with your specific target gases. The gas tubes from the supply can be connected here at the inlet and outlet fittings at the LGD Compact housing. Open the Axetris website www.axetris.com and go to the download section, where you will find the LGD Customer Frontent, which is a .NET application providing the user interface to all LGD modules. After downloading the executable, you can directly start the application. On the main screen, you can choose your COM port and the baud rate of your device and click the Connect button. If you don't know the COM port or baud rate, you can search for all available devices. The front end will give you a list where you can choose your device. Under the tab Measurement, you can see the actual measured data of your target gas. If you have a device with a second target gas, it will be also visible by clicking on the gas. With another click, you can disable it again. In the lower part of the screen, you will find the sensor status. If there would be any warning or error status message, this will be displayed here. Additionally, there is also an error log in the main menu Tools. When you want to adjust the LGD Compact to your specific needs or your environmental conditions, you will find all adjustable settings in this menu Sensor Parameter. Here you will be able to set your own offset and span for the device itself and optionally also for the analog output. The integration time can also be adjusted here. The integration time is a function of reducing the noise level by means of averaging the measurement data. Increasing the integration time reduces the noise level, but as a consequence increases the reaction time. Depending on your sensor module execution, you will find some modes in this list, like for example the diagnostic mode or the measurement mode. All available modes for your specific device will be explained on your quick guide. This was a short introduction to our new LGD Compact module. You will also find interesting information about the LGD Compact regularly in our news blog and on LinkedIn. For further assistance and technical support, please contact your local sales representative.